Boom, welcome back to this channel. I'm Jeff Anozie, and I'm heading to camp. I was heading to camp, and I thought that I should bring you along, at least show you a few things around here. I've not done a video within this camp area. So we're just veering off 6th Avenue, that's Owerri Road, and we're turning right to CIC Road leading to camp, leading to wodemaya and camp. This is the road to wodemaya and camp. I thought to just bring you along on my first of all, enjoy the environment. I know a lot of people grew up within this area, within the Owerri 6th Avenue, access. You may want to just see what this area looks like right now. Camp also is one of the oldest places right here in Enugu. There are some interesting landmarks around here, one of which is the CIC College. That's College of Immaculate Conception, which is one of the best secondary schools that I know of in Enugu. I didn't attend CIC, but I thought to just show you what CIC looks like now. I think the front is beautiful, if I do say so myself. So this is Eastern Medical Center Road as well. So yeah, so that's it. That's College of the Immaculate. I beg your pardon, I forgot the day, Immaculate. So the College of the Immaculate Conception, CIC Enugu. So this was worked on recently. I think it's not too long ago. It needs to be as fine as this. I mean, the entrance. I didn't go to this school, but if you went, please let me see in the comments. Just do a thumbs up or something, or tell me the school you went to or the school you like to see as well. This was on my way, so I decided to just put it in the video and show you CIC, what CIC Enugu looks like right now. I'm sure you're excited, right? I didn't go to CIC, but I know I could have a few of you in my audience that actually attended this school and would like to see it. Okay, so that is it. So we're heading down to camp. Of course, I was just going for a routine check on my car. If you don't know where camp is where like the mechanic village of Enugu, like the mechanic village of Enugu, where you get all spare parts, all car spare parts. So if you're coming into town this period during this Christmas, this festive season, and you would like to get maybe to service your car or to get a spare part for your car, this is where you can do that. Of course, you may not want to come here yourself, especially if you're coming for the first time or you're coming on your own, but look at that. See that traffic. One of the beauty about this traffic, or this traffic go slow, according to how we call it in Nigeria, is the file. You can see how cars are just filed. Please forgive these keke people, like keke, these tricycle people, we call them keke here. They're the ones that just come off the road, like come off the queue. But you see how the cars are just filed, and we're just going gradually. This is actually the case whenever you're going to camp. There's usually traffic because, like I said, it's a busy road, and that's where the biggest mechanic spare parts market is in Enugu, the biggest. So everything you need about your car is within this place. Look at the back. I'm videoing from the rear view mirror. Look at the back. You see the queue, and everybody's lined up, going gradually, waiting, coming patiently. I mean, Enugu is really beautiful, And then we have this very dedicated traffic wardens that try as much as they can to control the traffic. And lately within Enugu, there's been an upsurge of influx of cars and of people into the town. Normally, we experience that within the festive period, say from around 20th to the end of the month, we experience an influx of people. But this period, the hike has just been plenty. You see these other guys, the MOT guys too. Yes, aside from the annoying ones that get to clamp your car and pursue you when you beat the traffic. Of course, you're not supposed to beat the traffic anyways. But they've been of help within Enugu, especially this period of a lot of traffic within town. A lot of cars have come into town, a lot of people, and of course, the reason is not far-fetched. Enugu still remains one of the best places to live in Nigeria. In fact, within Africa, I make bold to say that myself. Okay, so this is the road to camp. We're very close to camp. This is wodemaya, and after this is camp. Now from here, I like the hilly and valley nature of Enugu. 1 minute you're on top of a hill, the other minute you're down a valley looking at other people driving on top of the hill, and that's the uniqueness of Enugu. You can see down there, that is Ogbede. That's the main market. One of the things that characterize Enugu is these brown roofs. Enugu, I think another city in Nigeria that has this thing is Ibadan, right? So, but this is Enugu. Enugu too has this. I think that is the market. That is Holy Ghost Market, like you can see there. That's the biggest market within Enugu. I mean, our main market. You know how Onitsha has Onitsha main market, Aba has, their main market. This is Enugu's main market over there. Now, that's just a part of it. And I was just saying that I like the way Enugu is hilly and valley. 1 minute you're up in a hill looking over some roofs in the market, another minute you're down the valley looking at other people driving up on one hill very close to you. That's part of the uniqueness of our beautiful, amazing city, Enugu. By the way, my name is Jeff Anozie. I am your real estate consultant based here in Enugu. You're looking for a property, land house within the city. Your plug. You're coming into town. You're looking for where you stay whilst you're here. You don't want to rent a hotel. You want something like a lodge. I'm your plug. So this is the camp roundabout. There used to be a truck, something like a truck a statue-like truck on this roundabout right there. I don't know why it's no more there anyways. So what you can see down that valley to my right is heading back to Old Park and Camp. Old Park and Ogbete. So we're heading to Camp. Camp is this one here. You can see it, right? You can see down that valley, that point I was trying to make. So I was just trying to show off my beautiful city, Enugu. Down this road is Camp. We're not going to get to Camp. I'm not going to get to Camp with you, but you can see the banks. Those banks there inside Camp. I mean, we've actually entered Camp and all of that. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so that you get to see this type of videos from time to time. And if there's any other place within Enugu you'd like to see, please let me know in the comments. One of my friends said he wanted to see Obiagu. I'm going to make out time and go to Obiagu and make a video there. And till I come your way again, I'm Jeff Anozie. Enjoy a fantastic day and bye for now.